Pull out the elastic ropes and dust cover for easier installation. Install the cushion. Insert the clips into the seat gap and tuck the cover edges in. Insert the buckle into the gap. Align and insert the side buckle of the cushion. Pull the front rope out and pass it to the back. Pull the plastic clip out from the back of the seat. Fasten the plastic buckle closed, then tighten the strap. Use a tool to push the lumbar knob through the seat cover opening. Remove the headrest from the seats. Airbag labels must align with the original car seat and face outward. Squeeze out the headrest buckle from the hole. Install the octagonal buttons and tuck them into the seat gap. Pull the octagonal buckles from behind the seat. Hook the hooks onto the bottom of the seat. Install the headrest cover and attach the Velcro. Reinstall the headrest onto the original seat. Note the direction before installing the center console cover. Install the rear seat cushion. Use the button on the seat back to fold the seat as needed. Insert the straps and clips into the seat gap. Pull the front rope out and pass it to the back. Fasten the plastic buckle closed, then tighten the strap. Press the button and fold down the seat back. Press the cup holder clip with your fingers and remove the cup holder. Before installing the seat back cover, loosen all zippers and Velcro. Thread the seat back through the headrest cover. Thread the seat covers through the seat belts. Zip up the zipper. Tuck the bottom Velcro of the seat cover into the gap. Pull the bottom Velcro out from the back of the seat. Stick the Velcro on one side of the headrest. Secure all Velcro firmly. Install the cup holder cover. Reinstall the headrest onto the original seat. Install the headrest cover. Stick the Velcro.